In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Monday.com on your PC, step by step. If you want to use Monday.com as a desktop app instead of always opening it in your browser, this guide will walk you through the entire process from downloading the file to logging into your workspace. The setup only takes a few minutes, and by the end of this video, you'll have Monday.com running smoothly on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is go to the official Monday.com download page. Open your preferred web browser, whether that's Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type in monday.com/download and press enter. This will take you directly to the official download page. Once the page loads, the website will automatically detect your operating system. If you're using a Windows PC, it will recognize that and show you the correct version for Windows. Next, you'll need to download the Windows Desktop app. On the download page, look for the button that says Download for Windows. Click on that button and the download will begin automatically. Depending on your browser settings, you may see the file downloading at the top right of your browser window, or it may appear at the bottom of the screen. The file will be named something like monday.com.exe. This is the installer file that will set up the application on your PC. Once the download is complete, it's time to install the Monday.com app. Locate the downloaded file on your computer. In most cases, you'll find it inside your Downloads folder. You can open File Explorer and click on Downloads to quickly access it. When you see the monday.com.exe file, double-click on it to begin the installation process. If Windows displays a security confirmation pop-up asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes or Run to continue. This is a normal step for installing trusted software. The installer will then launch and automatically install the Monday.com desktop application on your computer. You don't usually need to adjust any complicated settings. Just let the installer complete the process, which should only take a few moments. After installation is finished, Monday.com will typically open automatically. If it doesn't open right away, you can launch it manually. To do that, click on the Start menu on your PC and type Monday.com into the search bar. When you see the app appear in the search results, click on it to open. If a desktop shortcut was created during installation, you can also double-click that shortcut to launch the app instantly. Now that the app is open, the final step is to log into your account. On the login screen, enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. Then choose your preferred login method. You can sign in using your email and password, continue with Google, continue with Microsoft, or use single sign-on if your company has that set up. After entering your credentials and completing any verification steps, your workspace will load directly inside the desktop app. From here, you can manage boards, track projects, collaborate with your team, and use all the features of Monday.com without needing to open a browser tab. And that's it! You've successfully downloaded and installed Monday.com on your PC. As you can see, the process is quick and straightforward. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.